everyone, today we will start our 10th chapter of class 12 chemistry, that is halogen derivative. Before going on to halogen derivative, we should know what is a hydrocarbon. The parent family of organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen, you can see such as CH2, CH3, CH3, ethene containing carbon and hydrogen. Replacement of hydrogen atom in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom result in the formation of halogen derivative. In this chapter, we will study the halogen derivative in a systematic way. Halogen atoms are chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. We will see the classification of halogen derivative in detail. Halogen derivative of hydrocarbon are mainly classified in two ways, that is on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton and on the basis of number of halogen atom. First we will see on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. First is haloalkene. The alkane compound with the halogen atom is known as haloalkane. You can see in this example CH3, CH2 and X. X over here represent the halogen. So alkane atom compound with the halogen atom is known as haloalkene. Second is the haloalkene. The alkene, that is compound containing double bond contain halogen group, are known as haloalkene. Third is haloalkyne. The alkyne, that is the compound containing triple bond, and if this compound contain halogen atom or group, are called haloalkynes. Haloarenes. The aromatic compound containing halogen atom or groups are known as haloarenes. Second, it is classified on the basis of number of halogen atoms. First is monohalogen compound. Here the name indicates mono. Mono means one. That is the compound contain only one halogen group, are known as monohalogen compound. Dihalogen compound. Here also the name, as the name indicates, di means two. Means the compound containing two halogen group are known as dihalogen compound. It may be aromatic compound or a alkane or a alkene. Trihalogen compound. The compound containing three halogen groups are known as trihalogen compound. And polyhalogen compound means more than three halogen groups are known as polyhalogen compound. We will see classification of monohalogen derivatives in more detail. Classification of monohalogen derivative. First is monohalogen compound are further classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of the carbon to which the halogen is attached. First is alkyl halide or haloalkane. In alkyl halide or haloalkane, the halogen atom is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon, which is a part of a saturated carbon skeleton. Alkyl halide may be a primary, secondary or tertiary, depending upon the substitution state of the carbon to which the hydrogen is attached. Primary. In primary, one carbon bonded to the carbon bearing halogen. In secondary, to the carbon bearing halogen there are two carbon attached. In tertiary, to the carbon bearing halogen, three carbons are attached. Second is allylic halide. In allylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a carbon-carbon double bond. In benzylic halide. In benzylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom to which it is attached a aromatic ring. Vinylic halide. In vinylic halide, the halogen atom is bonded to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aliphatic chain. Vinylic halide is a haloalkene. Haloalkyne. When a halogen atom is bonded to a sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkyne. Haloarene. Arene means aromatic ring. In aryl halide, halogen atom is directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Nomenclature of halogen derivative. The common name of alkyl halide are derived by naming the alkyl group, followed by the name of halogen as halide. For example, ethyl chloride. According to the IUPAC system of nomenclature, alkyl halide are named as haloalkanes, that is chloroethane. First, the numbering will be given to the parent chain, that is 1, 2. Over here there are 2 carbon atoms, therefore it is ethane, and here the halogen group is chlorine, therefore it is chloroethane. Here in this example here also the parent chain is ethane, but we have 2 halogen groups, bromine and fluorine, but the atomic number of bromine is greater. Therefore, the first priority will be given to bromine. Therefore, numbering starts from bromine, from the carbon to the attached to the bromine. So, it will be 1 bromo and 2 fluoroethane. In this example, here again the parent chain is ethane, but here both the halogen atom are same. So, numbering can be given from any of the side. So, here 1, 2. So, here there are 2 halogen, therefore suffix will be di. Therefore, 1, 2 dichloroethane. In this example, as we can see, the double bond means the parent chain is alkene. Here you will have a doubt from where to start the numbering. So, the first preference will be given to alkene and then to halogen. Therefore, numbering will start from the left side. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, parent chain is propene. And the position of fluorine is on the 3rd position. Therefore, 3-fluoroprop-1-ene. In the next example, here the parent chain contains 4 carbon atom, that is butane. The numbering will start from the left side because the numbering will start from the right side because of the halogen group Br. In the second position we have Br, and in the third position we have methyl group. While writing the IUPAC, it is written in the alphabetical order. So the name will be 2-bromo-3-methyl butane. In this example, here also the parent chain contains the 3 carbon. So the parent chain is a propane, and the first position 1, 2 and 3. The first position contains 2 bromine atom and second position contains 2 methyl group. So the IUPAC name is 1,1-dibromo-2,2-dimethyl propane. We will see the preparation of halogen derivatives in the upcoming video. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more such content, and you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section.